Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I have a pocket letter swap reveal from my partner Amy. We're in a Facebook group together, I'm sorry, I just got it today, and the group that we're in is the Crafty Crafts by Dina. Swaps and Things on Facebook. Okay, so all I did was I cut the edge of my envelope so I could get into it, and look at what she wrote. Happy mail, have a blessed day. Thank you, Amy. I just got it today. Alrighty, so oh, look at that, right off the top got extras. So let's see. So we're gonna put the extras over here to the side. We got pretty little washi tape, and she used some gold foil paper. And oh wow, oh so cool. Okay, so thank you, Miss Amy. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can fix that. The little F fell a little off to the side here. So, ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh, there's extras inside the pocket letters. Okay. Wow, you guys. I think they're just falling out of the pocket. I think they're up here. Okay, there we go. So, we did our summer swaps, and she liked, I already shared what I sent to her, so, oh yes. So I told her I love the beach, I love mermaids, I love everything in beach related. So in this first packet she has a, I guess these are project life cards. And this one says life is just better in flip-flops. That is so true. And in this pocket she put some sequin mix, so fun. These are always fun. Very cool. Thank you, Amy. And then in this one she has little, oh my gosh, okay, so there's little stickers and they're like arrows pointing into the center, and it says surf, sun, and sand. And in this pocket there's also more confetti. Yes, thank you very much. You got little stars and birthday balloons. Very cute. I love it. Confetti. Can't go wrong with confetti, right? And then in the next one it says memories made at the beach last a lifetime. And that is true, because I grew up on an island and I miss the beach so bad. I tell you, if we could retire near a beach, I would be a happy puppy. So, oh wow, okay, these are little, oh, she made, oh, that is so pretty. So she made some ready-made embellishments. This one is a little, to me it looks like an envelope type deal, and she used washi and a little butterfly sticker, dimensional. And then there's, oh my gosh, oh, she got little tiny stuff, so pretty. Look at this one with all the fruit. Oh, it's washi, guys. That is so smart. Oh my goodness, thank you, Amy. That's very cute. And then she, oh, so smart, oh, so smart. Okay, so this is just a regular flower punch, but this, she used a whole bunch of heart punch paper and put a little piece of washi tape in the back and created her own flower. Very cool, very cool. And here's another one, and she just put a little bling in the middle. Oh, I can definitely use these. These are so cute. She put little hand stitches or faux stitches around this one with the heart in the center. And here's another one. Oh my gosh. Okay, girl, this is how I should be using my punches. Look at this little teeny tiny ticket with the heart. Oh, right there. Isn't that cute? And she got it popped up on some foam tape. So that is cool. Thank you, Miss Amy. And then this one, uh-oh. It's a little challenging, guys. Let me try and get this out. This one is, oh, she got some punches. Oh yeah. Oh, these are die cuts. Are these die cuts or are these stamped in? Okay, so this is one of those stamped in punch sets. Very cool. Oh, I love it. Look at all her different color ink she has. Thank you, Amy. This is awesome. Awesome. I love handmade stuff, and this is perfect. Love it. Never be scared to use your stash. And that one says friend. I want to fix it because she put so much time and effort, and the F just kind of ran away. Very cool. Isn't that pretty? A little campfire. Love it. Thank you, Amy. Wow. And then here's another cutout, and it says you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. Very cool. I think there's more die cuts in this one. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh yeah, handmade die cuts. Loving it. Oops, oops, oops. More of the little, oh, look at this one's a banner with a heart. And this one's a little stuck. No, not yet. It's not supposed to be stuck there. There we go. There we go. Got a little stuck under there. Oh, look at these little teeny tiny punches. These are little punch. And the banner is super cute. I love it. Look at this one with the washi. She did washi here again. Here's another one, and with the butterflies. And another one. These are all washi samples on the for the background. So that is so cool. Here's another one. Oh, these are so cute, Amy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this one's cute. Oh my gosh. Awesome. That is a lot of work, Missy. Look at that. Very cute. Thank you so much. says, it has been fun putting this together. Hope you like all the goodies. Amy, oh, with a little anchor. Very cute. And she stuffed a whole roll of washi. I think she used this one. Nope. Okay, no, she did not. That is so awesome. Thank you, Amy. Look at that. Very cute. I love the polka dots. And it's orange polka dots. Oh, can't go wrong with that. Thank you, thank you. And then the bottom two pockets. This one says, beach please. And more of her handmade. Oh yeah, oh yes. Oh, this is a pennant. So these are larger hand embellishments. Look at that. Oh, so she used a punch and made one of the flags. So I guess you could put a sentiment there. That is so smart. I need more punches really because I don't have much of these dimensional. So she did that again with the punch again, and she used it as a flag on the bottom. And this one, you have a little bit of washi going on. This is washi and this is washi. And there's those little teeny tiny punch hearts. That's so cute. Love it. Love it. These are awesome. Thank you so much, Amy. You really put in a lot of work in this little pocket share, pocket letter. Oh, look at that, guys. She did a mason jar. Okay, so this is the pattern paper and washi and a punch. And here's another one she did. She used it as like a banner part. So you can use this for your words on there. These are more mason jars. Very, very cute. Look at this one. Whoops. That is so cool. I can see using these for summer embellishments. Look at that. I love this punch. This is an awesome punch, the mason jar. Thank you, Amy, for sharing with me. She's got two little ones here. And then here's a flower. This one has fruit. And it's so cool. It's a washi. And then a little bling on the center. Very cool. Thank you, honey. This is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at all these mason jars. Mason jar embellishments. Okay. Alrighty, so that was our pocket letter. And this is all her wonderful work. That was so cool. Oh yeah, yes. And this was in there also. And it's little twinkle twinkle little star. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, these would make perfect bookmarks. I have a person in mind for these. Thank you, Amy. Thank you so much. And then guys, she made an extra envelope right here. And here's a little, I think this is a punch. Butterfly, and there's the washi. Oh, that's so cool. She gave me some of the cutouts, probably from the collection. It says Beach Cutie. And there's that memories cutout. Sandy toes and salty kisses. Oh, thank you, Amy. Oh my goodness. Beach bum. Thank you. I love that. And then she gave me some. Oh my God. Girly, did you die cut these things? Oh my goodness. And this one says, every day is a fashion show and the world is my runway. This thing. Amy. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, I have to, I don't mean to move this out of the way like that, but I need a little bit of space for this because these are all die cuts. Girl, you have a die cut machine? Look at this thing. Okay, this is a little fashionista with her shopping bags and it's purple. It's purple. I love this. Oh my gosh. So here's a few. Okay, so there's a few in the purple and then there's two in the purple, two in the pink, and this is the same die cut. Okay, and there's two of those and there's the pink. This one says style file. And this one, oh my gosh. Oh, don't let me rip it. Oh my goodness, this one got a little twisted, but that's okay because paper can be fixed. Just a little bit of glue. Look at how fancy this die cut is, guys. Amy, thank you so much. There's a few of those in pink and purple. It is so cute. Okay, I think there's two of each. Amy, thank you. Look at these cherubs. Oh my goodness. So there's the purple. Oh, they are adorable. Okay, you can't really see it like that. So I'm gonna take it apart. There we go. There it is. Wow. Thank you, dearie. You did so much work. This is a lot of work to die cut. I don't even have a die cutting machine. And there's a foil one. And I already know how much work that takes. So if you did all this, my dear, thank you. I really, really appreciate it. These are all the die cuts. Fashion, gorgeous, perfume. Oh my goodness, look at this. Lipstick, makeup. I don't use a lot of makeup, that's okay. Life is too short to wear boring clothes. That is so true, girl. But that's okay. I love being a girl, yes. And there's the little dress form. Glamour never takes a sad day off. Never takes a day off. Yep, that's true. And shopping is always a good idea. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, here's the silver. So look at that, guys. This is so much. so much. She die cutted these very intricate little die cuts, okay? And then she also did punched ephemera, handmade ephemera that she gave to me. This is so much more than I even got to send her. My goodness, I feel so bad. She sent me so much. And then there's these, the cutter parts. And then to top it off, she gave me these faux leather stickers. Fancy. I think this is from, okay, it says Craft Sensation. So cute. It goes so well with the fashionista. Perfume, the purse, the watch, gift, the ring, the bling bling. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Amy. Thank you very much. You did so much work, my dear. I appreciate every single bit of it. And see you on the next video. Oh yeah, and don't forget, check out Dina's YouTube channel, Crafty Crafts by Dina, and her Facebook group page, or Facebook group, Crafty Crafts by Dina Swaps and Things. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.